This is Tristan. We're starting the new series, Book and a Beverage. So me and Damon are going to be doing a book and a beverage. So each week we're going to introduce you to a new beverage. So this week is our candy corn punch. So you can make sure that this is kid friendly. So we have pineapples, orange drink, ice cream, candy corn, of course, and then we're going to be introducing one of our favorite books. So all of these books are available online on Amazon, on our website. Again, this is Tristan, and this is a book and a beverage. So this week is going to be candy corn punch. So you can either do it with ice cream or pineapple. So we're going to do both. So you see the candy corn, so it's friendly. All right, so we're back. Now this time we have the orange soda. Last time we did with ice cream. This time we're gonna do with whipped cream. So we're gonna add the pineapples, and this is candy corn punch. So I'm gonna add all of the pineapples in this one. Remember, if you're a candy corn fan, this would be your drink, and it's called candy corn punch. And we got our orange soda, so we're gonna make sure we add our whipped cream. And then if you like candy corn, you could just continue to add the candy corn. And again, this is our book and a beverage series. And just gonna continue to add the candy corn. And if you want to add a little bit of orange soda, you could definitely do this. It's family friendly. Again, this one has orange soda, candy corn, pineapple, whipped cream. And yeah, this is our book and a beverage series. So stay tuned. So we come back to tell you how it tastes. Simple and easy. Whipped cream, orange soda, pineapples, and candy corn. Hi everyone, this is Tristan, and we're doing our new series, Book and a Beverage. So this one is my book, Dream the Impossible. You can get it online on our Amazon channel, or you can go online to www.TJInspires.com. The book, the drink, the beverage is candy corn punch. It has pineapples, candy corn. This one was with whipped cream, and so I'm gonna taste it. This one you can really taste the orange soda. Again, it's you can get the book online. It's my personal story. You can go online right now to TJInspires.com or Amazon. It's my personal story. Little girls who dream become women with vision. So again, you go ahead and get the book. Again, this is our book and a beverage series where we introduce you to one of our books. And again, this one's up first, Dream the Impossible, and this is Candy Corn Punch.